traffic, trying to find my way to a home that I've never known. On a GPS with no address, so I follow my heart. But my heart is scattered like my father's actions in the back of the rental after I drown the turn. Probably a metaphor for everything I've learned. Like how the only love I'll have is gonna crash and burn, or how the poorest I felt was after the most I learned. The only lie I told is that no one should be concerned. There's gotta be another highway that don't lead to hell. It started to lead me through the darkest night like Christian Bale. I hid from God for more than 2 decades of life, and when I came back to the light, he didn't ask me if I'm Christian still. Just opened up his arms and embraced me like I'm his son, erasing all the archetypes of what people like me become since I was young. My personality split like poison thumb, but all that poison in my body still ain't making numb. I lost a best friend and felt all that, crying on his open casket while I knelt on that. I had a best man pick up for my wedding, but instead of getting married, I carried guilt and left all that. A vagabond that broke the bond for broken baton, who all along regretted who never kept all that. I left everything behind, but this engagement ring in the frozen heart. I'm standing in the fire to melt all that.